Hi, everyone. If you're trying to reach your TOEFL target score, it can sometimes feel like you're stuck in a loop.
God damn it. Son of a bitch. Motherfucker.
You study, you practice, you take another test, and somehow you're still in the same place. It's frustrating, exhausting, and it can make you wonder how you're ever going to move on to the next stage of your life. That's why I want to share something that can truly change how you prepare. Today, I'm introducing Dr. Byrnes' TOEFL Mock Test Course. Let's be honest for a moment. With today's AI tools, creating TOEFL-style questions is easy, but that's not the real problem. The real challenge is understanding what ETS is actually testing. Take the writing section's build a sentence task, for example. Almost 70% of the sample sentences depend on noun clauses that work as subjects, objects, complements, and more. That means if you don't truly understand noun clauses, success in this task is extremely difficult. Mastering them isn't optional, it's essential. Dr. Byrnes has carefully analyzed official ETS sample questions and created mock tests that reflect ETS's real testing logic, not just the format you see on the screen. In this course, you practice all 4 TOEFL sections: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Reading and listening are fully interactive. At the end of each section, you see your total score and the correct answers right away. More importantly, you learn why those answers are correct. That's critical. Simply knowing you are wrong isn't enough. If your thinking doesn't change, you'll make the same mistakes again on test day. And if something still doesn't make sense, you can post your question in the course discussion forum. Dr. Byrnes responds with clear, direct explanations. Because fixing incorrect thinking takes repetition, Dr. Byrnes also offers specialized TOEFL courses for reading, listening, writing, and speaking. These courses walk you step by step through the correct reasoning process, using carefully designed practice questions to build accurate, logical thinking that lasts.
For writing, the Build a Sentence task is fully interactive and uses drag and drop format, just like the real TOEFL exam. This helps you think and move at the same time, improving both speed and accuracy. For email writing and academic discussion tasks, you type your responses and submit them for review. Dr. Byrnes personally grades your work, estimates your score using the official ETS rubric, and tells you exactly what to improve to reach a 26-plus score. For speaking, you record your responses using your own method and submit the audio. Once again, Dr. Byrnes personally evaluates your speaking and gives detailed feedback on grammar, pronunciation, and topic development. That's right, both your writing and speaking are reviewed by Dr. Byrnes personally. Right now, you get access to more than 5 full mock test sets, with 3 new sets planned every month.
On top of that, solution videos will be regularly uploaded to YouTube. These explain how to solve questions using grammar and context clues, and they also covered topic development, language use, and delivery. You could watch these videos alone, but here's the truth. Watching explanations without trying first is like watching a cooking show and expecting to become a chef. Real learning happens when you attempt the problems yourself, struggle a bit, and then learn why the correct answers work. That's exactly why I strongly recommend Dr. Byrnes' TOEFL Mock Test Course. And the price? Just $10 a month. You can cancel anytime. To compare, ETS charges about $45 per test, and even more for materials with explanations. For $10 a month, you get multiple mock tests, plus personal writing and speaking feedback. That's an exceptional value. So don't wait. Sign up today. Prepare with confidence, reduce test day anxiety, and walk into the TOEFL feeling like it's just one more practice test. Conquer the TOEFL with Dr. Byrnes. Sign up at www.nanhibyrnes.com.